My name is Lady Jane Mahuepani Renata. Whānau mai au. Oi I te taone, Cook Hospital. Growing up, I had a quiet life, I think because I was the youngest at home, so a bit spoiled, I suppose. But my reo was my first reo. But my older siblings, because they were already going to school, I also picked up the reo Pākehā. Yeah. So at school I never had a problem because I could speak both. So I was never one of those that was proud for using the reo. Playing around Muruai, along this road, Waiari Road, that was our playground, the whole street. You know, because we had nowhere else to go, so it was just on the road, kicking football, whatever, playing rounders, you know, getting whacked by the boys. My eldest sister, I never saw her. She died before I was born, and she had a son, Tahu, that my parents brought up. And then later on, my eldest brother Mars, his first son was born. And my father and Solomon's other grandfather fought over him. So Solomon was lucky he learnt the beach side, you know, everything about the sea from his maternal grandfather. And with us, we did the marakai. So he knew all about planting and all that. Oh, then of course there was the nieces. Howell. There was Cairo, Chaw, later on Chiki, and Chira. They were always at home with us. We never had a pai-pai. They just stood wherever they were. And Martin, because he just lived over the fence, if he heard there was ope, well, he'd just climb over the fence and come. When there was a hui, my mother and Mrs. Brown, Tate Brown, they were the women that worked at the back. They were in the storeroom. They never came out of there because they knew what they were going to have, what the menu was for the day. Yeah, so they just gave those out already prepared, and they put them in dishes. Going back to the hall, that was also the picture theatre, and it used to have upstairs a little balcony, I suppose you'd say, up there. Yeah, we'd climb up there and hide up there. There was a hole in the floor, and we'd watch everybody coming in the door. Yeah, no, just funny, silly things we used to do, yeah. Well, I can only remember Rita Kemp, you know, the Kemp's grandmother. Rangitahi, that's Nairi's grandmother. Tepura just lived over here. Tepura Karepa, I think she was. Auntie Liza. Oh, of course there was Mihi Wirihana and Rāroa Porau. Rāroa did a lot of the karanga. Yeah. Karu was always around, waka she was. In her later years, I'd say in her 80s, nearly 90s, she was around the back, sitting with the men peeling potatoes. You know, she couldn't come to the front, so she came as far as the back. Never came inside, you know, because she was really old then, yeah.